Hey guys, my name is Laura, and I am here to share my experience about Primal Life LED Teeth Whitening System. Foremost, I want to tell you how I ended up with this product. My teeth are very yellowish that make me embarrassed to speak to others. So I have tired for searching a legitimate product to cure my yellow teeth. So I need a proper solution. I have searched more on Google, and in one forum I came to know about Primal Life product. The user said that he faced the same problem as me, and he wants to get rid of. So he used this and he got awesome result. Then I want to know more about this product. But I ended up only fake reviews and promotions. So I decided to contact the person who used the product and got result. Then he assured that this will definitely work. Also, he said be aware of the fraud websites that exactly looks like the official website, by you will end up losing your money. Then he gave me the same link he used to buy the product. Not only that, I have also got 50% discount on this product. I have pasted the same link in the description. It also came up with 1-year money back guarantee. That is the main reason I brought it. If you face the same problem that I have faced, you can surely use that link to get the teeth whitening product. So what is Primal Life Organics? Primal Life Organics is a firm that offers all natural essential products. Their objective is to give natural mouth care and specific skincare solutions to promote individuals' health and quality of life. Primal Life claims extensive promises about the quickness, efficacy, and power of its procedure for teeth whitening. The LED light-based therapy helps to clean and strengthen teeth simultaneously, offering more outstanding results. Primal Life asserts that after the first practice, you can witness a significant difference. And what is LED teeth whitening? Teeth whitening refers to any method that lightens the teeth color. Teeth whitening takes place by removing physical blemishes or lightening teeth using chemicals. The Primal Life Organics LED teeth whitening technique involves using a teeth whitener such as hydrogen peroxide and an LED light to white teeth. Most people spend a lot of cash yearly on over-the-counter whitening teeth for a brighter smile. Moreover, teeth whitening cosmetics is a worldwide economy with $3.2 billion in whitening of teeth. How does Primal Life Whitening Kit LED teeth whitening work? Light-emitting diode, LED, is a form of light used for whitening teeth. The remedy is employed using mouth trays that fit perfectly with your front teeth. The LED treatment for teeth whitening with 2 distinct whitening agents available. Whitening solutions eliminate stains above and below the dental surface, and non-bleach products work exclusively with stains on the surface. The ingredient kinds and intensities of each product differ. These LED teeth whitening solutions can be purchased for home use in a shop or dentist's office. You can also choose to have your dentist apply an LED teeth whitening treatment. The treatment systems that you receive from or at the dentist's office are more vital. This system usually contains multiple bottles of whitening agents, appliers, mouth trays, and LED teeth for treatment over several days. The user initially treats the teeth with a substance having bleaching characteristics in the Primal Life Organics teeth whitening method. LEDs are utilized for the whitening component, and the chemical process is initiated. Blue LED light enters the enamel and eliminates the spots. LEDs offer excellent efficiency and long life when this contact occurs, especially compared to other light sources. They will begin operating at maximum intensity immediately. These are the basic information about the product. How does Primal Life Whitening Kit whiten my teeth? LEDs work in conjunction with tooth whiteners to whiten teeth, which activates the whitener and, thus, initiating a chemical reaction. The whitening LED teeth light does not change the color of the tooth if used alone. It operates instead as a stimulant to accelerate the whitening process reaction in combination with a whitening component. Like the teeth whitening procedure, in-home tooth whitening products can deliver the same results in less than 2 weeks. Are LED teeth whitening lights safe for use? I have personally used it for almost months, so I am damn sure that it is 100% safe for use. The LED teeth whitening for Primal Life Organics was developed to be safe for home use. The current study suggests that LED teeth whitening is safe and efficient when consumers follow the manufacturer's procedures. LEDs are a safer alternative to ultraviolet, UV, as a light source, leading to cell mutation. LEDs are non-mutagenic and accelerate whitening without UV risk. It is ideal if you speak with your dentist before your teeth are whitened. Teeth whitening isn't for all. The outcomes of teeth whitening rely on the lifestyle of the user and the source of his tooth discoloration. LED teeth whitening works on yellow teeth, for instance, better than brown or light gray teeth. When I have researched more about this product, I came to know about this information. LED teeth whitening lights are employed for one key reason in whitening teeth. A study has demonstrated how they accelerate the chemical reaction that removes yellow teeth. Whitening agents are effective for 24 hours, as previously noted. Increased chemical reaction rates, therefore, mean eliminating more stains during this period. The brighter your smile will be, the more stains are erased. On average, in a single whitening session, LED teeth whitening can brighten your teeth by 6 to 8 shades. Overall, the inclusion of LED teeth whitening lamps in the whitening procedure has LED boosted the efficacy of the whitening chemicals and led to a lighter and lighter smile. Whitening agents, however, remain significant variables in the therapy of whitening. Although results cannot be achieved with LEDs alone, good results can be achieved using whitening gels. I think this information was enough for this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comment box. So if you have to buy this product, don't forget to buy this product in the same link that I have purchased, so you don't end up losing your money in such fake websites. Also get this product in a discount price. Thank you.